know this about me, but I really hope
see here, you have the exhaust off the same Demon. You got your mufflers here, and you have your resonators here. Full and complete, not cut. These are also for the Punisher. There's a wide body kit, brand new as you see still. You have your Harmon Kardon speaker. I'm still debating about running the tail lights. I'll show you a picture of a guy who had a Roadrunner Super B at the Autorama last year. It was so nice how he fabbed in the tail panel. I'll show a picture of that next. But this is going to go in the trunk. I have the actual sun visors for the Punisher that are being wrapped in leather. But I'm debating about utilizing the same ones that are in my red eye. And this is just the bottom portion to the dash. I'm not sure if we had that, but I'm one of those where I'd rather be proactive, rather be safe than sorry. So we have that as well. So here's some of the things that we did get today. I have another item I'll show you here shortly. This came in today. This is going to go on the roof of the Charger. Of course, we're going to have navigation, satellite radio, and all that. So that's that. So here's a few pieces. The center section, we have to still order that center section that goes to this here. And I'm going to show you right now. After this portion of it, I'm going to show you the Super B that we've seen. This was the Plymouth Super B that was at the Detroit Autorama 2019. Check out the tail panel. I'm debating on doing something like this. I'm going to clean this up, have this thing wrapped in leather. I think we're going to have this inside of that custom-made box that I ordered. I'll also show you that. We ordered a custom-made classic luggage box. If you check this out, this is the luggage boxes that I was telling you about. We're going to build on this here. This will be in the trunk. Have this installed inside the box. So this is where my creative juices come out when we get to this portion. See, I have these things covered up, the Demon seats covered up, so that Izzy, our home cat, doesn't get real touching, as you can see. That's your Demon seats. So those are covered. Again, I have a set here for sale. This is what we already have. This is going to go. Already have one of these, but we have another one coming. So we now have 3 of these, so this should be also for sale. I just want the other one that was supposed to order because it's actually going to be in the same excellent condition as these seats. Same kit. Still has that nice new smell. Kind of anal that way. So, all right. Please like, comment, subscribe. We're just underway with this build. The rear end parts for the car is going to come in tomorrow. That's the reason why I didn't elect to go to Ponti's Performance today, because I figured let me wait until we have some progress. I don't want to waste you guys time showing you something that wasn't. You can see this too has a sticker on it. and it will stay that way also. So, all right, please like, comment, subscribe, click notification bell, and come back and see us. Izzy. He's trying to take the wire to the trunk release. All right. Thanks.
That's been fucking with me recently. I guess I've been overthinking, over exaggerating, overreacting over every little thing. I guess that's why I just feel so low, feel so broke, feel so alone, feel so cold, feel like I'm born clinically cold. But I just don't know, I'm constantly below zero. When I rhyme, my emotions go out of control. It feels like I'm got confidence, I'm heaven sent, and no one even knows where the hell I've been. Well, it's time to work with crazy eights on the mic. Let's guess what, this is all freestyle, off the top of the dome, leave me the fuck alone.